Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I will be showing you all how I clean my implements and get them ready for my next client. Okay, and so the first thing I will be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the implement off. I'm just trying to get rid of all of the debris that could be potentially left on the implement. And then I am going to be using my antibacterial soap with the brush to go ahead and clean the implement, get rid of all of the debris and all of the dust that could potentially still be on the implement. So I'm just gonna scrub it like so. And you want to make sure that you're getting every little part of the implement clean, so they are ready for your next client. And so once I'm done scrubbing, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off, and then I am going to place it on a clean dry paper towel, and I'll come back to that in a second. But as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and continue to rinse all the implements first, getting rid of all of the debris and all of the dust, and then I am going to go ahead and give it a good scrub. Rinse it and place it on a clean, fresh paper towel. So I'll let you all go ahead and watch me as I continue to clean all my implements. Grab a little more soap here. Okay, and with the cuticle bits, you have to be really careful because obviously they are very, very tiny. Oh, and please excuse my nails. They look horrible, but I'm going to get that together. That's why I'm cleaning my implements so I can go ahead and get my nails done. Well, do my own nails. And so, yeah, she is a beauty. Okay. Okay, and as you see here, these are all my implements once they have been washed with the antibacterial soap with the brush and rinsed. Next, it's time for me to disinfect these implements, and I'm going to be using barbicide, and so I'm going to show you how I make my solution. First, I do have this little disinfecting tray that I did get off Amazon, and it is perfect for any implements that you have, whether you're a nail tech or a cosmetologist. This is a great tool for anyone who needs to clean their implements. And so I'm just taking the tray out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cold water to the bottom of the tray, like so. Okay, so once I have my cold water, I'm going to take my barbicide and add a little bit to the tray. It should be a clear blue color once you've added the barbicide. And so next I am going to take my tray, put all of my implements on the tray. Okay, once all the implements are in the tray, yes, it's full. I am overdue for cleaning my implements, but that's okay. Okay, and then I'm going to put it back in here like this. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the lid, and that will sit in there for about 10 minutes. Okay, it has been exactly 10 minutes, and so my implements are done soaking. Now please keep in mind, you don't want to leave them in the solution for more than 10 minutes, because that can cause your implements to rust, and we don't want to do that, because then you're gonna have to buy more, and we already know being a nail tech is a very, very expensive career. But I love it, so nonetheless, I digress. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the tray, and I will be rinsing. Okay, and for the final part of how to clean your nail implements, you can either let your implements air dry, or you can dry them yourself. And so I like to dry my implements, so I'm gonna use a fresh, clean paper towel, and I'm gonna go ahead and dry the implements off. And set them aside so they're ready for the next use. Okay, and this is how I clean my nail implements. I just want to take the time to thank you so much for watching. Hope that you found some very, very good information to help you be able to properly clean and sanitize your nail implements. Again, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.